Hey guys, what's up? It's Minituff, and today I'm going to show you how to change the enchantment table from the default language of the standard Galactic to English. Now, if you notice, I am on a Mac. So let me quit out of this, and you will see I am running Mac OS X. So if you're on PC, it's very, very similar. Just navigating to the Minecraft folder is different, but I will explain it for both. Now, it also is different if you are using a texture pack. I will show you all four. So if you're using a Mac without a texture pack, a Mac with a texture pack, a PC with a texture pack, and a PC without. So here we go. On the top left and the top right, there are going to be annotations. So right here on the top left, you can click on that if you want to see the Mac tutorial without a texture pack. And right under that, it'll be with a texture pack. And on the top right, you can click that, and it'll be PC without a texture pack. And the top right below that, it will be PC with a texture pack. So go ahead and click one of those to skip right to that. It will all be in this video, so if you just want to watch through, you'll see all four of them. So let's begin. So if you're on a Mac and you have not a texture pack installed, so you don't, then it's very easy. So go right onto the Finder and your username, library, application support, Minecraft. Now you do have to scroll through to find some of these, but I have mine default to that. So first thing you want to do is navigate to your bin. So you should see minecraft.jar. Right click, open with archive utility. If you don't see that there, then search for it. And you can put aside your minecraft.jar. You won't need it, so you can delete it if you want to. Then press enter to rename and add .jar to the end. And press add. Then go into here, and you're going to have to find the font folder. So scroll all the way down to the F's, and let me find it, font. And you should see two things here. If you have all this other stuff, do not worry about it. All that matters is default and alternate. So here's the default language, and here's the alternate language. All we're going to do is replace this with this. So delete the alternate, and right click, duplicate, or you can copy and paste it here, doesn't matter, and then rename it to alternate.png. Make sure that it's exactly the same, no caps, just alternate. So then when you go back in to your Minecraft, as long as you're not using a texture pack, it will work perfectly. So if you're on a Mac and you're using a texture pack, it's a little bit more difficult, but it's still easy. So go on to your Finder, go to Users, Library, Application Support, Minecraft. Now, note if you stop using your texture pack, you're going to have to redo this and check out the first part of this tutorial to know how to do it without a texture pack. So then go into the Texture Packs folder, and I installed Dokucraft Light. So we're going to need to open this. We're going to go in here, and we're going to find the font folder. Now you should see default and alternate. We're going to need to replace this with this. So just delete alternate.png, right click, duplicate, and press enter and rename it to alternate. Make sure you don't have it spelled different or any capitals at all. Then you're going to need to go back into the Texture Packs folder, and you're going to need to delete the actual zip file because it's not reading the folder you have. And you're going to need to go into it. Don't compress this, but you're going to need to go into here, press Command A, which will highlight everything, or if you want to highlight it all, and then right click and compress. And go to the bottom and you'll see archive.zip. Drag this to your desktop. Then go back, delete the folder, drag in the new zip file that you made, and just rename it to whatever you want. So I'm going to rename it, and now it should work perfectly. You should see the language is changed to English. Now if you stop using this texture pack, it's going to change back to the old one. Okay, now welcome to the PC part of the tutorial. This is if you do not have a texture pack installed. So if you have a texture pack, skip forward to that part. So navigating to the Minecraft folder is different on a PC than it is on Mac. So if you're on a PC, I'm pretty sure you've navigated to the folder before, but if you haven't, click the Start button, and then in the search bar, type %appdata%, just like that. But this will only work on PC. So type that in the Start menu of your computer, press Enter, and it should take you to the application support folder, and you should see a .minecraft. Click that, open it. You should see this. If you don't have a texture pack, then you won't see that. So you're going to need WinRAR or UnRARX or some kind of unRARing program or 7-zip to actually view your Minecraft folder. So you're going to go into your minecraft.jar, open it with WinRAR, and scroll down till you find font. Open that, and you might not see all this. This is part of my McPatcher thing, but if you should see default and alternate. So this is the default language, and this is the standard galactic language. So what you're going to want to do is delete the alternate.png, however you want to delete it, copy the default, paste it to your desktop, and then rename it to alternate.png. Make sure you have .png at the end, and no caps, nothing else different. And then bam, it should work perfectly. If you're using a texture pack, it's different. So I'm going to jump into the texture pack part of this tutorial. If you're on a PC and you're using a texture pack, it's a little bit different than all three of the other parts of this tutorial. So you're going to need to navigate to the Minecraft folder. So doing this on a PC is pretty easy. It's a little bit easier on a Mac, but so go down to the Start menu of your computer, click it, and then type this in. %appdata%. Type that in the Start menu and press Enter. That should take you to the application support or the app data of your computer, and you should see .minecraft. Click that and open it. Then you're going to need to go into the texture packs, and you should see the name of the texture pack you have installed. Make sure you have the texture pack installed correctly before you try this. So you're going to need a unRARing program. If you have UnRARX, WinRAR, 7-zip, it will work. Just go ahead and open that. It's a little bit different on a Mac, but just go into it. Scroll down until you find the font folder. You should see default and alternate. Now, normally these are the same, but I've done the tutorial before. So go ahead and delete the alternate. Just completely delete it. That one was the standard galactic. Copy the default. Paste it on your desktop. And rename it to alternate.png. Make sure it's spelled exactly right. If you have a caps or anything wrong in there, it's not going to work. And then go back. Now on a Mac, it makes it a folder again, so you have to recompress it to a zip. But on PC, you should be fine. It should still be a zip file. So you should try going in and testing it out. Okay, so we're in our Minecraft. Let's go ahead and test out our work. English, yeah. It doesn't make that much sense, but it's English. This is what it would say in English. So I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, go ahead and drop a like. And if you want to favorite, I'd love you, but you don't have to. So you don't have to do anything, but it always helps me out to help support the channel. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.